Right, we've now arrived at our next hotel. I've no idea how to pronounce that. Apartment Hotel MIMARU. I'm just going in now. Ta-da! There we are, just checking in. Right, so I'm just going to check in and then we'll show you the room. In we go. And this is our room. So it is. Oh my god, look at that big teddy. Look at the big teddy bear.
Pokemon.
Pokemon, of course. Look at that. He is brilliant, isn't he? Right, so there we go. So this is a themed room. It just looks fantastic. We've got loads of bed lights here. We've got the aircon here. And then we're going to just spin around. There's the table. Looks really comfy. And the settee. TV's there. We've got, looks like a aircon unit there. There's a little kitchenette area, which gives you a kettle. You've got 2 power points.
You can do your own cooking here even.
And then we have the toilets, which is those fancy toilets, which we've already done a video I think of. Oh, it's got a sink on the top of it to do your hands afterwards. Wow. And then here we go into the bathroom. It's so clean. You know, Japan is just so clean. This is the same as our other hotel. It's a complete wet room. They already give you shampoo, body, soap and conditioner, but this is a complete wet room. This one has got one of those overhead showers, and then the bath. The bath actually, that's quite deep, so just make a note that actually is quite deep. So I'm going to hunt around now and see if there's the bed lights. Let's see if we've got any USB points on the bed lights. No, but you do have on this bed in the centre here, you've got USB, you've got a bed, living, so you've got all the light switches and reading lights. So this one is probably mirrored exactly the same behind our big friend here. Just one big open, there's no door to it, and also it's just one big open space put inside there. There you go. And that is, I'm thinking that's the aircon unit there. Yeah, looks like an aircon unit. The other thing I just want to show you, we're just making a cuppa and all. There's a microwave here. Nice big fridge. Nice big freezer. So we've got a TV. There seems to be a phone here. I'm not sure what that is, but around the back here there are power points to go in, and some more power points there next to the TV.
If you look at the cutlery and plates and cups and saucers, they're all themed as well.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. Look, all Pokeman-themed.
Oh, cool. That's so good.
Oh, do you want to have a look? Nice
So yeah, you go. You get a good
bottle
selection.
opener. You can actually possibly cook. And there's the cups. I think the plates are the same. Yeah.
That's really cool. Properly themed, the whole lot.
Oh look, you've got kids.
Kids safety in case you put any cleaning stuff inside there.
'Cause there's no
And there's a knife as well. Okay. There. So there we go. That is our room.
Just noticed you got these little, I think they're free, but they're also Pokemon bag set. Which is cute. Shall I have a look?
Yeah, open it up, let's have a look.
I don't think it is. Is that tote bag?
Oh. Hey, it's cool.
That's lovely.
What's the other one then? Let's have a look. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And what
one of
is?
those, the little
That's
wash
just
bag.
there's a wash bag.
Oh, that's lovely.
Perfect.
Just see this on here. You pull this down, so little coat hanger.
Yeah, just saw a silver bar. I didn't know what it was, but yeah, you can just hang your jacket and coat on there, which is perfect.
We bought these today in Hakone. They're grapes. And look at them, look at the size of them. They were
They are really big.
2,000 yen. So that is like a tenner.
Tenner. My God, for grapes. So we've just come to Kyoto.
Yes.
Now we've just come up to the Family Mart, which is literally around the corner. We're going to get some shopping, some goodies and something for breakfast.
Self-caring.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to get some stuff. Hopefully there are stuff because that looks pretty empty.
Yeah, that looks pretty empty, but I'm sure there's some stuff that we can have. So if you need any mad grip gloves, there you go. But it's as you expect, Family Mart. It's got quite a lot of things in here, standard stuff. Some food and sweets. General. Oh, there's some wine and all as well. Yeah, so general sort of store really.
Yes. So we've just gone to Family Mart and we have bought loads of things that we've seen on the internet. I got the Family Mart chicken, which is gorgeous. She's got the origami or in the seaweed.
I don't know how to. But...
There you go.
That's it.
I think I've done this wrong. But I don't know.
No, I don't think you have.
Go for it. Mmm.
She's got a sandwich,
Oh yeah,
just plain old sandwich, and then like these salted crisps because we all fancy them. And then Scarlett, can you hold up what that is? Yeah. No idea, but we got it anyway. We got some Danish bread. We got some bacon somewhere, some eggs for breakfast, and some grape Fanta. Oh, there's the bacon.
Oh, sorry, bacon.
So, and some water. So yeah. Oh, and we got those ice cream sandwiches, didn't we, for later? So we'll try them that we've seen on the internet. Oh, go on then, try this, whatever this is.
Oh, it looks like pancakes, I think. It feels like pancakes.
Oh,
Oh.
that is good. Is it cold?
It's like toffee and coffee flavoured.
Oh.
It's like pancake and toffee, coffee, cream.
Oh, nice.
Just like a
Okay.
mousse.
So we're gonna I'm about to try one of our £10 grapes. She says that every time.
Is that really what you paid?
Yes, mother. You know,
Where'd I put my purse?
it tastes like grapes.
Oh, they are lovely.
Did it taste lovely? It tastes like alcohol. That's what it tastes like.
Don't it?
What, red wine?
They're very good.
Tastes like
Them's the
alcohol,
best of grapes.
definitely.
They are beautiful.
Just slightly fermented. Maybe that's why
Maybe they're fresh.
Japanese people love them so much.
Some-
It's like proper rum.
So we've all just tried the grape Fanta. I think we were like Japanese. And what do you think, Scarlett?
Yeah, it's alright. It's not like, it's like different. It's not like the normal Fantas that we get at home.
No, I like it too. I think that means she likes it. I like it. Sue, did you like it?
Yes, I did actually.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, very tasty.
Nice colour. Funny smell. It smells synthetic.
It tastes synthetic, or however you said it, I don't know.
Synthetic, yeah. Yeah, it definitely doesn't taste like a grape.
Yeah.
It tastes like grape flavour. Right, these are, what are they, Mummy? What are they called, Mummy?
I don't like them. I don't like it.
What are they called? Oh, dear God.
They're called pretty lazy what?
Show me the bag.
Pea snack. Pea snack.
You're going back to an unpaid extra. No talking.
Crazy, lazy what?
Give me them.
I don't know.
This is how you show the camera. Pea snacks.
Patient.
These have got a 0 rating from Mama. They look like that. These were given to us. We didn't buy these, by the way. Let's have a taste.
They're dry and they're dry. There's no flavour in them, nothing. And
I don't know if they're made of peas. I think they're made to look like peas.
they're dying.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what it's made of.
Give them a swerve. So Scarlett got these free from reception for doing a wee challenge. And these are the oddest sweets I've ever seen. They look like bacon rashers. So she's going to give them a go.
Oh.
Right, go on then.
Who would have bacon rashers
I don't know.
as a sweet?
It looks like a chewy. Looks like a chewy sweet.
Just looks like it was sweeter.
It's like sticky.
Go for
It
it.
looks like... Can I have a closer up look
Now
at
that
that?
couldn't be good for you. Like
Oh
that.
my god.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. It tastes like. Oh my god.
Are these trick-or-treat sweets? Possibly. Let's see, let's see. Oh my good God.
Don't like.
So, go on, Stuart, Mummy, try it.
Been all over it. I'm good, thanks.
I'm just going to have...
No,
No, that is...
You need to get sweets.
That literally...
You can't even describe what it tastes like.
It's called the cat.
It tastes like wet cardboard. It's got like a remnant of to maybe fish and a bit of spicy.
Oh my god.
Wouldn't you say? A bit of spicy?
Yeah.
More fishy than anything.
Right.
Oh,
So let's have a wee look. And
that's what it looks like.
that's what they look like. And what do they taste like? Are they like chocolate?
They're chocolate. It tastes like strawberry chocolate.
Do you want one, Mum?
Taste it?
It tastes good.
It's like fudgy powder.
Fudgy?
You get fudgy.
I thank God.
What is this? It looks like a biscuit type thing.
So we're trying this next one. Oh, oh,
Okay.
you'd probably like them. So they look
Promising.
like wee biscuit fingers. Oh no, what?
Salty.
Try it.
Bite it. Just bite it.
Is it
Oh, they're there. Take.
Proper crunchy.
Yeah, stop.
soft rice, sweet and salty? Let's have a wee try.
Is it rice?
Oh, you know what they're like? You know the Chinese crackers?
Oh, no.
Just a bit of pizza.
What we got? So here we are, extra big Monica ice cream sandwich. This is from Family Mart. We've seen, we don't know if it's the one we saw on TikTok or not. I think the one we saw on TikTok had chocolate in it. But Scarlett's going to give it a go. We got one each, but I'm now absolutely stuffed on snacks. So I'll eat mine a different day.
Doesn't do it strong.
What's really good if the person who's on the video can get it out. So look at the size of that. She's a,
You just said that's the good.
right. Go on then.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
is it soft? Is there chocolate in it? Show me.
And it's
Oh,
it's not even good.
okay. Give us a bit.
It's good. It's just like
Mm.
a soft waffle ice cream.
Yeah. And the waffle bit comes away easily, so it doesn't like having to chew it off.
And then make it look a bit.
That's lovely. Ice cream's nice.
Yeah, it's cold.
Funny enough. So that's a hit. We like that, do we?
Yeah.
So that is really the end of all our snacks for tonight. So that's the end of our eating, we didn't call it a challenge, eating trial. For our first sort of little mini haul in Japan. So going to leave it there and hit the head because we're all exhausted after a big travel day from Hakone to Kyoto, ready for our next tour in the morning. So hopefully join us then.